Hello, IK here. Welcome to lesson AI Powered Query Explorer. You see, it is like Google search engine, like Google user interface. I ask, I write text, a list of orders, and here it is. What happened between typing my prompt and the result on the screen? Uh, First, uh, in this process, include 5 agents, no more, no little, five, no less, 5 agents, and it is a chain uh, of agent. Some of them have a role of orchestration of that whole chain or part of chain. Okay, let's get see first agent. First agent I call user interface agent. Uh, User interface agent. Here is this uh, agent one. I call it agent one or user interface agent. It is input, it is form, and something behind uh, behind the form. It is here. It is. We send request. This user interface object is a process of sending that agent send uh, send prompt to server agent here it is send to this agent, and that agent is agent 2. uh, this is agent 2 is receive what was sent to from agent 1. Again, agent 1 send request to agent 2. This is agent 2, and here it is. Agent 2 is this. Uh, agent 3, agent, agent 2 call agent 3, and agent 3 is generate SQL from Vertex user prompt. It is function agent, and that agent orchestrate and use agent 4 get database schema, agent 4, agent 5, uh, agent 5 is a model, it is a thinker. Only agent 5 there is a brain. Okay, generate content prompt. It is agent 4 call agent 5, and the result of this process uh, go back to agent 2, and agent 2 respond to agent 1, and we see on the screen what we see. Five, five agents. All application, there is a three files, what we called it, but artificial intelligence, ChatGPT code to me. This is a user interface, and here is a user agent request go to not AI Excel, nothing about that. It is some possibility also, but here it is. I spoke momentarily about this. Fetch, here it is. Here it is. Okay, this part of code. Request to articles AI, serve endpoint, we call it, but now I spoke about it like agent. Now that we understand agent is not, there is no brain, it is not thinker. Thinker is only model artificial intelligence. And you look at here, it means that we can call it agent because it is a role of agent. That agent two, that agent one request agent two. Okay, let's go to agent two. It is a server. Here it is. Agent two. Agent two call agent three. Generate SQL from vertex. Agent 3 generate SQL vertex call. We must see where is defined of that agent. Defined is in file vertex. Here it is. Here it is. Not here. Table schema. Here it is. Generate SQL from vertex is agent 3, and here is the definition, and we can see what that agent 3 does. What he aggregate, he call get database schema. It is connection with the database of e-commerce, of my e-commerce with data, complete structure, and get database schema, see complete database dynamically, any changes in database, in structure changes, in data changes, okay? Also, that generate SQL vertex, create, construct, prompt from schema, here it is, give additional context, and request is request. To whom request? Request to model, to only agent here with brain. Request user prompt. We have a user prompt, but we need additional context, and we need a schema because from that user prompt, it is text. Agent with brain, it is Gemini. Gemini artificial intelligence of Google. Gemini will, from that text, create SQL. From text, create SQL. not this generate SQL from Vertex. It is the wrong name. This agent nothing generate, don't generate SQL. It is agent who collect what need that brain thinker agent, Gemini, can from text, our prompt, create SQL. Okay, would be created user and look at we finished that and here is the result. Where is the result? Prompt, schema function, and the result is would be received what this thinker agent, this is Gemini, we call generate content. We call Gemini that generate content with that prompt. Which prompt? With that prompt. This is prompt. This prompt is created in this agent generate SQL from Vertex, and that prompt, by that prompt, we send generate content function with this prompt, and the result of that, this response, where to go response, where to go this response, who call this agent, call agent 2. It means that agent 2 will receive, here it is, will receive a result. What would be result? Result would be SQL. Look at here instruction. Convert the following user request into valid SQL query. Result would be SQL, and that result go back would be a response to agent 2. Agent 2 is here. Agent 2, we are here. Result and look at SQL is here, and this is a result for this situation. A result of SQL querying in database. In this row, we have in result would be data, would be poor data of SQL sent to database. And that result, it is full of data, response to agent 1. Agent 1, and agent 1 received SQL and result. SQL, and the result is poor data what coming from database, and agent 1, it is user interface agent, design what we see in this situation. We see table, and also we see SQL. Because of that, we have in response SQL, poor SQL, and results of that SQL, it is data. And we can go back to agent 1. Agent 1 Here it is. Agent 1, look at response. There is a data properties SQL, and here it is. That response have data, there is a results, and there is SQL in that response. And now it is a user interface component. We have start configuration, start design, user interface, create design. And it is very interesting also how we created its design with a very, very little code. Of course, it is HTML, and we can use CSS. And about that in next video. Now I will show you some of that design. It is table design, but look at when I ask a list of articles. Now is not table, or show me the sum of total sales by quarter for orders made in 2025. Ask. Here it is, graphical, and you see we see poor SQL also for control if we want to see. And the table is here. Table is here. It's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video.